Expert Framework Extension, or EFX as we call it, is an application for creating profiles. So if you've got anything that has a constant section and it's extruded, then that's what EFX supports. So for example, if you're designing bridges, roofs, gates or machine design, EFX will highly automate the creation of the structure. Expert Framework Extension 6.0 is a very exciting release. We've tried to concentrate on improving design flexibility and improving user performance. So for example, for end plates, we now have more control for the placement of end plates. We can automatically size the end plate to the size of the profile, and we've got more controlling abilities for the alignment of the end plate. We've inserted new libraries, so we now support Indian libraries. We have ladder and cages added to the library, so if you want to add a ladder, then you simply select where you want the ladder, select the ladder style, and EFX will automatically insert the ladder. If you want a safety cage on that ladder, then you simply select the safety cage style, select where you want to what ladder you want to place the safety cage on, and again, EFX will do all the work for you. We've also improved the flexibility for screws and the performance of screws connections. So when you place a profile, you can now automatically place a datum point. The datum point is used for the bolting connections. If, for example, you're bolting a plate to an I-beam, then we will automatically insert a wedge washer for the angled part of the I-beam. On very large complex designs, we want the user to concentrate on designing the structure and not concentrate on how they format the design assembly. So our customers asked us if there was a way to automatically assign part numbers to identical parts, as part numbers are very expensive to maintain. With EFX 6, our part number application will now scan the whole design. It will find all the identical parts and assign a common part number to those parts, highly automating the process. We've also improved information about the design. So if you want to know anything about a profile, you want to know the size, for example, you simply select the info button, select the profile you're interested in, and in the graphics window will tell you all information about that profile. And lastly, we've increased the analysis applications. So if you want to export to StatPro, for example, for structural analysis, we now have a direct interface. So should customers want more information about Expert Framework Extension, then please go to the Expert Framework Extension page on ptc.com.